witam Was ponownie na moim kanale. Jestem dzisiaj z gościem specjalnym. Mamy dzisiaj Abby z nami.
Hi!
I like that. You have no idea what I'm saying.
No.
Dzisiejszy filmik będzie po angielsku w większości, bo jednak chciałabym, żeby moja współprowadząca rozumiała. Dajcie mi znać, czy chcecie napisy na dole, to postaram się dorobić. Mam dzisiaj dla Was zakupy z Ikea. Byłyśmy po parę rzeczy, wyszłyśmy z 3,5 siatami oraz dużą ilością mebli. Meble pokażę Wam później na przebitkach, jak już je skręcimy, będziemy dzisiaj skręcać, także zaczynamy. Więc ceny będą gdzieś tutaj krążyły, podczas gdy my będziemy mówić. Do you want to show your extra find? Pierwszą rzecz, no, I said I'm gonna speak in English, so I'm gonna speak in English. The first thing we have, it's for Abby's room. It's very hard to see because it's clear, but we did not think that through. I think, what are you gonna do with it? You're gonna put some rocks,
yes, and just
fake succulents.
yes.
Oh, there we go.
See,
That's gonna look so cute.
yeah.
And I think these. Do you remember how much these were? Like just some.
I didn't even look.
Check. But ale możecie je.
Yeah, few please.
Peace. Ostrzeżenie, nie zbliżaj się z otwartym ogniem, so you can get that in Poland. If there is Polish attention thing, then you probably can. Alright, I'm gonna show something that is like right here. I'm pretty sure it's broken.
I'm not sure because the noise is because of these things.
Yeah, because the glass looks fine. I don't know. Ja sobie wzięłam. Oh, sorry. I'm so. Okay. No. One more time. I took Nesna bedside table. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it as a bedside table. I was thinking maybe in the bathroom. Because I have quite a small bathroom, but there is space under the sink. So I was thinking that would look nice. And it was £9. So if I would want it as a bedside table, I can always go and pick up another one. And what I really like is it's like in a wood color, so you can paint it. We have this weird obsession with like painting stuff, so you're gonna hear a lot. Yeah, and you can paint that. But actually, I do kind of like the vibe of the normal wood for the bathroom. Yeah. So and I remember the price. That was £9. Did I say that? I feel like I did. Okay. Do you want to show another one? So we also took some boxes. We took 3 small ones. Abby only just took the black one. I took one black and one white because I want them to be outside. So I might do something cool on them or just leave them plain. I'm not sure. I took some. Oh yeah. I was like, you didn't took any? Okay. So we took those, and then I took 2 more boxes. Yes, please. 1 large one and 1 medium one, and they're in this like cool pattern. So I thought that's quite cute. Don't know if that's the color scheme that I want, but these will be in my closet anyway. So yeah, but I still like them to look nice. So that's that. We got some mirrors as well. Oh, you can see yourself. Wait. There you go. There you are. We took the same ones. It's the very popular one, you know, the curvy one, for our bedrooms. I won't say bathrooms, but bedrooms. So we took those. We also bought a drying rack. Very exciting. We took the black one with a little silver tray. I don't know how much that was. So we bought these vases for flowers, but we're probably gonna keep them without anything. Or maybe we can look for some like nice fake flowers as well.
Yeah.
Just like sometimes, just like here, isn't it? Like, but yeah, we bought those. So that one is like light grey, and that one is the pink with a nice texture on it. And we do have another one that we bought in Poundland that is grey, but it's a different colour and it has texture. So it's both those things. It's gonna look amazing. So then we bought that one in the Korean section. It's normally £7, but we got it for £4.50. So I think that's quite a good promotion, especially that there is nothing wrong with it, because I checked, like it's not broken or anything, it was just on the display, so showroom / display. So generally those things that were on in the showrooms, they are quite good quality. We bought another drying rack because we got that one already. It's called Jal. Jal. That's definitely how it's called. Excuse me, do you have a Jal in stock? Anyone? Jal? Oh god. Yeah, so we got one like that already, and it's really good, but it's quite small. So we took another one. Simple as that. All right, let me look. I'm gonna slide it.
We should do a behind the scenes.
Yeah, not too bad, but not too great. I moved the light a bit. That's fine. Look at that. We've got another plant.
A big one.
A big one. You can. That's like half of it.
Yeah.
And we also got like a matte black, semi-matte. What is it called? Plant holder.
Plant pot?
Plant pot? Pot? Just a pot? I don't know. But yeah.
We're gonna be in the jungle.
The jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Oongaba, oongaba. Do you remember that episode of Friends? We only need the monkey now. We have the jungle. So we got that one, and then we got one more plant, which I picked for my room, but I'm going to show that later because it's in the back. Then we got these, which is, I think Ikea have it since I can remember.
I don't know, I've never been to Ikea before.
Oh yeah, you told me. Oh,
I've been, but I didn't buy anything.
Yeah.
My rocks.
They're so cool.
Yeah. They have in display like pink ones, but I couldn't find them.
Maybe
so
they
maybe
don't have it in stock.
Maybe I will come back.
Yeah, but you can always mix it. Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to mix them anyway.
Yeah, so that's cool.
Rocks.
Rocks. And you can put the rocks that you brought from South Africa. Like
yeah, I forgot about them.
Yeah. And then we bought paint, which is Behandla.
Yeah, it's like a light grey.
Right, light grey. So we're gonna paint the little chest of drawers. So the next thing Abby took is like those two glass cube containers, which can normally, I think they should. I mean, they should. They were shown as a decoration, but it's a cool idea to put to organize stuff in them. So I think that's what Abby's gonna do in her little shelf.
Either makeup or like jewelry.
Ooh.
Or like the sunglasses. I'm not sure.
Phone cases would look cool.
Yes, but I don't have a lot.
Yeah, you don't. I do. I wanted the plant that like when you put a finger it closes, but I'm gonna do that after everything is set up, so I don't actually grab it by accident. Can you imagine? So I cannot come to work today. I had a fight with the plant.
She wouldn't let me go.
So these are cute, and you can spray paint the bottom part on.
We can paint everything.
Excuse me, any partnership with Dulux or like spray paint company, hit us up, because
we actually
put in a spray paint pile. Can you imagine? It would be like half of the flat like in the corner waiting to be spray painted. Oh god. Then I took that one, which is, I'm not sure if you are able to see it because of the foil, because it might reflect the light too much, so I'm gonna quickly, oh my god, that is so cute. And it has this really unique like pink flower. I've never seen anything like that, so I was like, I need to have it. I just look, it's so cute. Too cute. And then we found this blue pot, which, oh, I love it.
Yes. I love the blue. I think it's gonna look nice with how we want to paint the other one and then
yes, and the record player. Oh my god, so cute. And then we got these two as well, smaller ones. The cutie ones, the succulent Haworthia pentagona and the Sempervivum globiferum. I've no idea what that means, but yay, plants, great. I was sure I took more of those, but maybe not. I got some Sinlig, what is it called? Candles for like bathroom and maybe the kitchen, and you know. And I took 3 different ones for us, made in Poland. There we go. I think that's like some kind of carrot cake, maybe like.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, these are blackberry smell. This is blackberry smell, and this is red berries, which. Right.
Yeah.
Right. So these are really inexpensive, so you guys probably know. And then we got those. I'm pretty sure I took another one of those because that's from collection summer 2018, and I'm pretty sure everything from that collection is on sale right now because it was limited edition, and I think it's going to be gone after the summer. And this is dragon fruit ones. So, oh my god, that was smelling so good. Like, so good.
Yeah.
And then you can obviously leave the tin, which I really like, in the Ikea candles. That is quite hard to open, but I want you to smell because you didn't smell that one, did you?
No.
So we took 2 of those because Abby didn't smell it, so I was like, I'm just going to take 2, but we have pretty similar candle taste. And then, yeah, then we picked up that one, and since you like that one, I picked up a bigger one from, and it's like nectarine and stuff like that. And another one. And then we bought a little bowl, which is it is an actual bowl, but we want it as a plant holder because we have that as a plant holder, plant pot for a bigger one. So we just thought it's gonna be cute to do like a little mix and match. So we're just gonna use it as a plant pot for one of the succulents. Oh, we're gonna buy another one. I found this little lantern, which I think it's so cute. They have it always, but they have a new colors like that now. I mean, like my mum have it in white, I think. Right, mum? In white? I'm not sure. But we just love yellow lately, and it's a nice pop of color, and I think it's just like right? Do you get this summer vibe? Like, I think it's gonna be cute, and it was $2.50.
It's gonna be summer in our flat the whole year.
The whole year. We also took that. I took that one for me, so that's like a little divider.
Yeah.
Then I got that one. I mean, we got that one because it will be in the living room anyway. So it's a like little golden candle holder. It will look cool with all our gold details.
It comes with the actual like
label, an actual label. So we found 2 baskets for Abby, and they were on the clearance section, reduced from £6 to £4. So yeah, I don't know, are you going to use it in your bathroom or in your bedroom?
Not sure.
Then I found in clearance section as well the frame, like that is gold, which again I was thinking about doing like a gallery wall in our living room, so gold details, you know, and it was reduced from £5 to, oh look, he gave me more reduction. Instead of 5, we got it for £3, which I think for a frame like that, that's a really good price, £3, isn't it? I found in the clearance section those 2 organizers, which normally they are, this one is £9
This
normally,
one is 8.
and this one is 8, and they were reduced to £6 and £5. So that's a bit better. Yeah. That's like 33%, so that's quite okay. So yeah, so that's going to be for my makeup. We got 2 of the chopping board. I had them before in very ugly colours, They were ugly, come on. The green and
one,
red.
yeah.
I mean, it wasn't nice. But these, grey and turquoise, amazing. And then we got one more, it's a normal one. It's quite sturdy, to be honest. And it's clear, and it's just a bit smaller than the other ones. And that's it. A więc to jest wszystko. Plus oczywiście meble, które jak nie pokażę Wam na przybitkach, to pokażę Wam gdzieś w vlogach. Więc tak, dziękujemy bardzo za oglądanie. Jeśli filmik się spodobał, to kciuk w górę. Jeśli jeszcze nie subskrybujecie, to serdecznie zapraszam do subskrypcji. My się z Wami żegnamy i do zobaczenia niedługo. Dajcie oczywiście znać, co Wam się najbardziej spodobało i może coś macie stąd. Także tak, dajcie znać i widzimy się w następnym filmiku.